Hey everyone, welcome back to Dynamics 365 Universe, where we simplify real-world dynamics and Azure development. In today's video, we're diving into a fundamental but often overlooked skill: how to restart IIS Express. Whether you're developing in Dynamics 365 or working on an ASP.NET application, restarting IIS Express can instantly fix tons of unexpected issues. So, let's break it down, clearly, step by step. First, let's start with the basics. IIS Express stands for Internet Information Services Express. It's a lightweight, free version of the full IIS server that lets you run and debug web applications locally. As a Dynamics 365 developer, especially in Tier 1 developer VMs, your local D365 instance often runs using IIS Express during development, testing, or debugging. So why would you ever need to restart IIS Express? Well, if you've recently changed your web config or config files, renewed a certificate, encountered a 401 unauthorized error, or your debugging session suddenly hangs, then restarting IIS Express is often the fastest fix. It clears the memory, reloads your configurations, and lets services run fresh, just like rebooting your system. Alright, let's get into the first method: restarting IIS Express using the command prompt. Open CMD as administrator. Search for CMD in your Start menu, right-click, and select Run as Administrator. Then type the following command to shut it down, that is IIS Reset. This forcefully ends all IIS processes, and restart it. Now let's look at method 2. Restarting using the IIS Manager GUI, also known as full IIS. Search for IIS in your Windows search and open IIS Manager. In the left pane, click on button below Start Page. On the right, under Actions, click Restart. This will restart the full IIS web server and all your hosted services. Here are a few common scenarios in Dynamics 365 development where restarting IIS saves the day: after modifying web config file, or when metadata changes don't reflect, when login pages fail or services stop responding, or during debugging, when something just doesn't feel right. Restarting IIS Express might sound small, but it's a power move for any developer. It keeps your development environment healthy, your configuration accurate, and your workflows smooth. So the next time something breaks, don't panic, just restart your web service. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe to Dynamics 365 Universe for weekly tips on Dynamics, Azure, and real-world DevOps practices. Hit that bell icon so you never miss a new video. Until next time, stay curious, keep building, and never stop learning.